I'm Open National Trainer Amy Gibson. Our Minute to Win activity we're going to play today is called Bowling for Cups. What you will need is a beanbag or sock ball, 6 plastic cups, and a timer. The goal of this activity is to be able to knock down the 6 cups in 1 minute. The way that you do that is you will slide your beanbag or sock ball down toward the cups, and then you will reach down, grab your beanbag and any cup that you may have knocked over. You're going to continue to do this until your time runs out. Let's take a look and see what that looks like. You ready? All right. Ready, set, start. On the buzzer. I made it. Will you? Don't forget to play Bowling for Cups. Have a great day.